Hi there, students. To canoodle. Yeah, to canoodle. I think it's probably a little old-fashioned, a little informal. Let's see, canoodling, the activity, the noun. Okay, so you go off to canoodle with your girlfriend in a private place, kissing and cuddling and caressing each other. Yeah, a preamble to sex. If you're canoodling, does it go the whole way? Probably not, but it could be. Okay, so to canoodle, to kiss and cuddle amorously. Yeah, he was caught by his parents canoodling with the babysitter. Yeah. Okay, amorous embracing, kissing, petting, fondling. Yeah, lovers canoodling in the park. Yeah, they were sitting on a bench in the park canoodling where nobody could see them. Yeah, kissing and cuddling. He was seen canoodling with his new girlfriend. I think this word's probably a little bit old-fashioned. Yeah, I think you could certainly still use it though. So yeah, who would you like to go off canoodling with? Yeah, effectively petting, heavy petting. Yeah, he had a big smile on his face as he'd been canoodling with his girlfriend. I think you could probably also use this verb meaning to persuade someone, to cajole them. He canoodled me into buying the product that he was trying to sell. You could also probably say a canoodle, talking about a hug or a caress, but I think that's probably less common. Yeah, so canoodling, yeah, it's a great word as well. So people canoodling in the park, fondling each other, caressing each other, yeah, making out effectively. Okay, formality. This is informal. I think I'd probably give it a 3.5, maybe a 4 in formality. Informal conversation, just about in something semi-formal, and that is because it's rather old-fashioned. Yeah, I think your grandma might use the word to canoodle. And then as to origin, I quite like the two different suggestions. Let's see. There are clearly cognates. In Swedish, you've got this word knulla, meaning to have sex with. Yeah, and there's a German word knudden, meaning to cuddle with your girlfriend. Okay, and clearly it's, to me, it's related to that, although there is a folk etymology from Victorian times, 150 years ago. When a boy and a girl, or a man and a woman, went out, the lady was always accompanied by a chaperone, normally an elderly aunt or something like that. And the image was that the man and the woman got into a canoe and paddled away from the chaperone and left the chaperone standing on the bank. So like that they could go off and they could canoodle in the canoe. Let's see, I don't think it's a real etymology, but it's certainly a fun etymology. Okay, so canoodling. Yeah, to canoodle, to caress, to pet, to cuddle, to kiss and cuddle, but this is talking about sex. Yeah, I'm not sure it goes the whole way though. Yeah, lovers canoodling in the park. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Canoodling.